Let me take my mask off. We have found ourselves in Denver, Colorado. And we got some notion through social media that there was going to be these two pretty rare cars here at, I don't even know what the dealership's called, Mike Wood, McLaren, Mike Wood, Bentley, Mike Wood. But we also have two very, very special cars. Got a squared, got a 620R, but that's not what I'm trying to say. You got the Koenigsegg Gemara. And then we go over to the Jesko in its full carbon fiber glory. You've got the aero discs in the back with the modular wings back here. Just absolutely insane. Stopped in the middle of the street right here because we just just got to Winter Park, Colorado. We thought we weren't going to make it because of this snowstorm that's coming in. It's supposed to yield, I think, about 30 inches or so. So we got here just in time to park the van, set campsite, and check out Winter Place in the snow, because at least we can walk in it, but driving is definitely difficult. Well, let me show you around. This isn't fun without gloves.
I was about to say you need your gloves.
Holy shit. Alright, come on, let's go back. Hey, so we just reached the Kansas state line. Hopefully you can hear me with all this wind out here. It's really windy. I guess before telling you about Kansas, I'll tell you how we got here. We were in Colorado for a couple days, and we were planning to leave yesterday, Monday. But the airline got delayed. We couldn't make that flight. Everything got canceled. So we were like, okay, that's fine. Let's just get on the next flight. We went ahead and figured out and called. It took us about 2 hours just to get into American Airlines. And they told us the next available flight that you could both be on would be Thursday. That's 3 days away. No, I can't do that. I've got to get back to Charlotte. I've got to get some work done. So we tried every single option, everything. And nothing would put us back in Charlotte anytime sooner than that Thursday. And I didn't want to stay in Colorado, so we went ahead and said, whatever, let's rent a car and drive across country. Go all the way from Denver, Colorado, all the way back to Charlotte. I've always wanted to do it. I actually was going to do it later on this year, so that's what leads us to Kansas. We're here at the Kansas state line. We've got our little Chevy Trax. It's actually a pretty cool little front-wheel drive, compact, economic car. Rides like a dream. Highways here, the speed limit's like 75, and you're pushing 88, 90, and the trucks are passing you like it's nothing. But look around. Like, it's gorgeous out here. All right, I'm freezing, so let me get back to the car. Bye. So we're here somewhere in the middle of Kansas, and we stumbled upon an exit that we could get close to these big wind turbines out here. And as you can see behind us, what a view. I love it. Thank you to Stevie Linson for letting me know about this spot. I definitely appreciate it. So we're almost completed with our road trip back to Charlotte, and we stumble upon something that I did not believe could be a thing here in Tennessee, of all places. This is a real life size replica of the Parthenon over in Europe. Wild.